Respected Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers and audience, my loving parents, dear brothers and sisters, I would like to welcome you all in Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Beginning human mistakes are possible, so I am sorry in the beginning of my speech. My name is Afrina Khatun. My father's name is Lutful Haq. I reading class standard 3 in Islamic Public School, Rajpur. Now I want to glance at my topic. My topic is Republic Day. Today is the 26th January and we are celebrating 76th Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of India. We celebrated this day with great joy and happiness. India turned into a secular based nation on this day. In 1950, the constitution came into effect. Our constitution was written by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. It took 2 years, 11 months, 18 days to complete our constitutions. We should be allowed to respect our constitutions. Republic Day makes us realize the importance of democracy. This day gives the true message in living peace and unity for all Indians. I am proud to be an India, so I love my country very much. I wish to my world teachers and parents happy 76th Republic Day 2025. With these words, I would like to finish my speech.